Wow!
Don't do that.
I will film you.
So black.
Just like you. We got the phones, and now we got the phone cases.
What happened?
So I was with my older brother, and he was like, "Oh, if you put all the rubbish in my room in the bin, then I'll give you the phone."
You got it? Finally. Oh, she's so happy.
I got my phone.
Wow.
Which I nails.
Yeah. And they both got 256 GB iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Cute.
We'll start from there.
Anyway, so basically, right.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So it's been long. I know I have stopped filming vlogs, but I will come up with some great videos in 2025. So I just took a break because why not, we all need breaks. Today is 16th of December. I thought I was just starting this vlog because I just wanted to share that both my kids, Edwin and Eliza, they got iPhone 16 Pro Max. So Edwin got from Telstra and Eliza got from Vodafone. So Eliza got last week Wednesday and today is Monday. So she got on Wednesday. Let me check the date first. Okay, Eliza got on 11th of December. And the tracking said that it will come today, but it hasn't arrived yet. But Edwin got on Friday. It arrived this morning, like they brought it home, and literally it's on my husband's name, both the phones. The Star Trek driver didn't give the phone to us. He said we will give it only to the person whose name is here, so they want to see the ID. Like Edwin and Eliza woke up so early today. They opened the door. They were waiting for the phone to come, but yeah, he took it back. So Eliza and Edwin both are using iPhone 13 Pro Max at the moment. So I gave Eliza iPhone 13 Pro Max on her 16th birthday. So I'm taking that phone. Isha is taking Edwin's iPhone 13 Pro Max. We just didn't want to like trade the phones in because we thought we will use it, because as an influencer I do need lots of camera to use. So I do have my two Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm using my one, and also my husband has upgraded to S24 Ultra. So I am like using his phone too, and also I got my own S22 Ultra, which is just so good. I'm filming from my S22 Ultra at the moment, and literally I will be using iPhone 13 Pro Max too, because why not? On my birthday, my kids and my husband wanted me to get the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Like, no, don't need it, because I knew that if I'll buy iPhone 16 Pro Max, kids will want it too. Eliza's iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't has like that much storage, so she always runs out of storage. I think it's 128 GB only, and Edwin's one is 256 GB, and they both got 256 GB iPhone 16 Pro Max. We are with Vodafone, and also we are with Telstra, and also we are with Dodo, and also we are with Superloop. Okay, our home internet is with Superloop. If you are living Upper Kumra or Kumra area, especially around my home, I'm not like telling where I'm living, like literally Superloop works here so well. So Telstra doesn't work that well here, Vodafone doesn't work that well here, like I'm talking about the home internet. But Superloop is just awesome, like literally so good. Okay, open.
That was better. Wow.
How do you feel?
The
Looks
cam-
blue.
Yeah, real. Oh, it looks black on camera though.
You're gonna compare 13 and
Yeah, it's different. It doesn't run.
Yeah.
This is much nicer.
Yeah, real.
Dikhi?
Thinner. This is the last phone iPhone gonna make.
No.
No,
No.
They're gonna make more.
they're gonna make one next
Yeah,
year,
it's,
probably.
which language is
No.
that?
Egyptian.
Hello.
Find out.
Okay, you said
They
enjoy.
make one every year.
You have to
Yeah.
This
wait.
is the last.
You have to
What
wait.
did I say?
We didn't ask.
Don't do that.
I will film you. Setting up his new iPhone 16 Pro
Device.
Max.
Shut up.
16 Pro Max. Just because of me, he got it.
Wasn't that right?
I'm very sad. Because Eliza phone is
Edwin.
No, I like it.
Vodafone is so trash.
There you go.
Good job, good job, good job.
Main is plain. Device requirements.
Good job, good job. Hooray!
So black.
Just like you.
Zero for zero.
Good job, good job.
Isha, how excited are you?
Give.
Very excited. Oh,
Isha's getting that phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh my gosh, Isha is so excited.
Hey,
Tell me how I can help you today.
a new service.
What happened?
so I was with my older brother and he was like, "Oh, if you put all the rubbish in my room in the bin, then I'll give you the phone."
You got it? Finally.
But I had the 12 Pro now I have the 13 Pro Max. And this is gonna go to my dad.
For his music.
Yeah.
Finally!
Got it! Whoa! Bro. Why you do this?
Yay! You so happy? Isha आ गया.
Isha, how is your arm? Dying, man.
Because कल अपा body करी. Oh, she's so happy.
I got my phone!
Oh, yay!
Anyways,
I stand fully.
don't leave me. ASMR. Date and time package. 12 of the 12 at 11:50. This is 17.
Them.
I'm scared.
Unboxing iPhone 16 Pro Max. Time. You can do it.
Boom. Boom.
You're sitting there like an egg.
I'm just sitting here like an egg.
Wow.
Wow. Kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Wow. Wish I had nails.
Yeah. It's okay.
Anyways. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Okay, bye.
Lucky girl.
And then ready? Yeah. Okay, that's the other side. Frick. Just. See, now doesn't want to open. Wow. We got it, guys. Look
Show
at
them,
it.
show
Look
them.
at that.
Zoom
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways.
Looks nice.
Oh, I don't want to touch this phone. I'm scared.
Same as Edwin's. Can you stop doing that?
Why so weird?
Because he's a copycat. Anyways, boom, boom, very beautiful.
Yeah.
We got the ugly looking cable.
No.
What?
They're safer ones. They're nicer. They're durable.
Can you do it quickly?
Shush! And then we got the cable. Very cool, very nice. Now for the satisfying part. Anyways,
Enjoy.
Mom. Hello.
Hello.
Konnichiwa.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, someone says hello.
Konnichiwa. Who is that?
Nai konnichiwa. Okay.
Konnichiwa. 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 Anyways.
Konnichiwa.
Hola. Oh, it's thinner.
Now transfer everything.
Long.
Oh,
420? It is not 420, you liar. Anyways.
Yeah, time is sleep.
English.
okay, enjoy.
Australia.
Enjoy. How do you feel?
I'm very scared now. There's my case on. I feel very scared.
Okay, we'll look for one case.
I don't want to crack the phone.
Yeah,
I'm really scared.
we'll go to kmart and get some case.
Is that how you like your icons and text? Default. Okay, so if you ever noticed, we got the phones, and now we got the phone cases. 2 of each because one's for freaking Edwin.
Big bag.
Anyways, so we got the clear one. Yes, very clear. Very good, very nice. And then we got
It's a bit wet, but that's
And then
okay.
we got the silicon one. Silicon one.
It feels very nice.
From Kmart. Oh, these are from Kmart. Yes. Wait. This one says silicon, soft grip, microfiber, interior, and durable body. I don't know what that means, but
That's a bit scary. So which one are you gonna choose? I think you should do clear.
you think I should do clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, why she has it on a freaking tissue?
Because I don't want to put it straight down like that. Because look at the back, guys.
Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at it.
It's very beautiful. Anyways, this thing took like an hour and a half for everything to transfer. You get it out.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
I've got this. It's very plastic-like, but it's okay. Let me just write this.
So beautiful.
Okay. Now, the moment y'all been waiting for.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Ta-da!
Oh, you can see myself in it. Do you want to try the black one as well or no?
I suppose.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so the difference, the bottom of this one covers, however, the silicone one has an open spot like this.
Ooh.
Yeah. So, looks like I have not seen this in oh, the microfiber on the inside, very soft, very nice. Okay. Time to put it in. That's what she said. Anyways, here's the black one.
Oh, I like the black better.
And then there's the bottom. Very open. Yes. Yes. Cute.
You start from there.
Anyway, so basically, right?
Yeah.
Hello Kitty.
Oh, that is so
notebook. It got Hello Kitty
cute.
inside. Very, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Anyways, yeah, very cool, very nice.
Hole.
And then with that,
JB happy.
we got a pen.
Oh, cute. That's nice.
So that's going to be hanging while you write.
Yeah. And then. Okay, you don't. Anyway, then we go. A cable.
Wow, that's crazy. Good cable is for you,
The other side?
your thingy, na?
So soft. So soft.
And?
And then we got one USB-C wall charger. 25 watts is this one.
Okay.
Anyway, and then we got the same one, except this is only 20, I think. Yeah, 20.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Do you want the fucking receipt, please? You want it?
You fucking bulldog.
You want the receipt or not?
Now keep it.